It was just showing that part only, like you won't really see. So I removed it. Look what happened. I hope that it's not. Oh shoot, it's through. Man, that's the worst part. I use like thin one. So this is probably 26. 26 probably. So anyhow, so what I'm trying to do here now, so I'm putting the backing plate behind instead of outside. This is 1/8. Yeah, this is 1/8. That's nice. Yeah, so now we're done. We need to flatten those rivets just to push it in a little bit. You need this. All right, so now it's time to do the body filler.